Hello, this is Larissa from Wings Custom, and today we're going to do a product review on this Sissy Bar, the beautiful Backbone. This here is the version without the luggage rack, as you guys can see it. But we also make the same Sissy Bar with the luggage rack if you prefer. Its major characteristic is the diameter of it. If you check it out, it's a 1.5 inches diameter Sissy Bar, which is much thicker than your average Sissy Bar you can find in the market. And it also has this top here, this premium top, that is the Backbone design. We also have this model in square bone, so it would be square here at the top, but the Backbone has these little points. This Sissy Bar also has this curve here that matches really well with our front king handlebars, with our king curve handlebars, and our curve line. So if you already have a curved handlebar, this Sissy Bar, it's a great match. It will put the lines of your bike perfectly together. Now some other details. You see here that it comes with the pads, so it will come for you already mounted in, but you can take it off if you want. We have these screws here, you can just unscrew them and take the pad and ride without it, just for the looks if you prefer. This Sissy Bar is also compatible with some bikes. This one here, you can see with these details, it's for touring bikes. We can make them for all the touring bikes from 2014 up to 2024, from the Road Glide, Street Glide, Electra, Ultra Glide, Road King. But we also can make the same model for the soft tail lines, all up to 2024 to 2010, a little bit earlier. You can talk with us about that and we can make sure if it will fit on your bike, if you can do it for your bike or not. Okay, some other details about the Sissy Bar is the finishing. This is powder coated gloss black, a very resistant finish that looks great on most black bikes. We also can do it the same finish in matte black. It has more of a matte finish, it doesn't shine as much and look better in more sportive bikes. We can also do the same model here in polished stainless steel if you prefer. So if your bike is all chromed out, we have the polished stainless steel version that is going to match it perfectly, and you will have the plus of not chipping out with the time or rusting or anything like this. Other detail of the Sissy Bar is that it is detachable. As you can see here, we have this system where you can unlock and then lock on your bike. You just have to install the docking kit that we sent together. So when you order the Sissy Bar, you will receive the docking kit together with that if you order for soft tail. If you order for touring, you have to check. You can order with or without the docking kit, because the original docking kit for the Harleys, for the touring ears, it will fit with our Sissy Bar. So if you already have that docking kit, you can just put our Sissy Bar on, very easy, very seamlessly. Now, just to finish, this is a model that is made under order, so we can change some aspects of it. This one here is 25 inches tall. It's the standard size of it, but we could do a little bit smaller or taller if you want. Of course, this would be a special product, so talk with us, let's see what you need. And yeah, that's the Backbone Sissy Bar, a beautiful Sissy Bar, very thick, looks great if you have a Rhino handlebar already, or even if you don't, but you plan in getting it, the Sissy Bar will be a first great addition for your bike.